Let's face it, Brazilian waxing often sounds frightening. That moment of dread. Sweaty palms wondering why you signed up for this. But guess what? Brazilian waxing can be relaxing. In this video, we'll guide you to transform your waxing from a painful ordeal into a soothing self-care ritual. Preparation is essential. First, choose a reputable salon or spa. Look for licensed professionals in clean, comfortable environments. Check reviews focusing on comfort and professionalism. Before your appointment, talk to your technician. Share your pain tolerance and any concerns. The more they know, the better they can adjust their technique to fit you. Exfoliate the day before your appointment. This removes dead skin, letting wax grip only hair, not skin. On the actual day, stay hydrated. Skip caffeine. Relax your body and mind with a short, warm bath. It loosens skin and calms nerves. Let's explore the art of relaxation. Much of the discomfort stems from tension. Use deep breathing techniques. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2, then exhale for 6. This pattern slows your heart rate and calms your nervous system. Consider a guided meditation app like Calm for a quick relaxation boost before your appointment. Distraction is another great technique. Listen to soft music, an engaging audiobook, or a comedic show. Laughter releases endorphins, your natural pain relievers. Post-wax care is crucial for comfort. After your session, apply soothing products like aloe vera or calamine lotion to reduce redness and inflammation. Choose loose-fitting clothes post-waxing. Tight jeans can irritate freshly waxed skin. Finally, remember to book maintenance sessions every 4 to 6 weeks. This keeps hair short, making future waxes less painful. A successful waxing doesn't just leave you smooth, it also boosts your confidence levels. You'll feel lighter and fresher, prepared for the world. And best of all, you handled it all calmly and effectively. Do you have tips to make waxing easier? Share them in the comments. Your suggestions may feature in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for your weekly health and beauty tips.